In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Notion Calendar. To get started, open Notion Calendar on your device. If you're already inside the app, you can also go directly to the calendar connection settings. This is where you'll manage the accounts and calendars that appear inside your workspace. Taking a moment to begin in the right place makes the rest of the setup much smoother. Once you're there, sign in with your Notion account. Make sure you use the account connected to the workspace you actually want to use, especially if you have more than one login. After signing in, you'll be able to access the calendar features and continue with the connection process. Next, connect your Google Calendar account. You'll usually see an option to add or link a calendar account. Choose Google, then follow the sign in prompt. If you use multiple Google accounts, double check that you're selecting the correct one, particularly if your work and personal calendars are separate. This can save you time later and help keep your schedule organized from the start. After that, allow the required calendar permissions. These permissions let Notion Calendar display your events and sync the information properly. Read through the prompts carefully so you understand what access is being requested. In most cases, this is necessary for the calendar to function as expected. So if the permissions are denied, your events may not appear correctly. Once the connection is approved, choose which Google calendars you want to show. For example, you may want to display your primary calendar, a shared team calendar, or a personal one. Selecting only the calendars you actually need can make your view much cleaner and easier to manage, especially if you work with several schedules. Now check that your Google Calendar events appear correctly inside Notion Calendar. Look through the calendar view and confirm that meetings, appointments, and other events are showing at the right times and on the right dates. If something looks off, it's worth reviewing the selected account or calendar permissions before moving on. If you want an even more connected workflow, connect your Notion databases so tasks can appear alongside your calendar events. This is useful if you manage projects, to-do lists, or deadlines inside Notion and want everything visible in one timeline. Once everything is set up, you can use Notion Calendar to manage meetings, tasks, and deadlines all in one place. It's a simple way to bring your schedule and your planning system together, making it easier to stay organized and keep track of what matters most.